Wilson.
Thank you, Honorable Vice Chairman, sir.
Single minute.
Finance Minister, I wanted to ask
minute
you
है आपके पास.
what sort of concession you will give for the honest taxpayer and the assessee who follow the income tax laws in true letter and spirit. At the outset, we would welcome the contents of the bill, not the title of the bill. The bill enables the government to collect revenues locked in litigation. But why is that the exemptions are given in clause 9? So far as clause 9A1, you fix a cap of 5 crores. Why do you fix that 5 crores? Is there any rationality behind this fixing up of 5 crores? Then why is that you are not giving the benefit to the persons covered under 9A, 9B, 9D, 9E? What is the reason behind that? The amount that is to be paid for settlement are not attractive when compared with the Sabka Vishwas scheme 2019. Honourable Minister, please clarify whether the bill will help to the persons who had paid the tax under protest that exceeded the requirement, whether it will be refunded to the taxpayer in settlement of the cases. And the Honourable Minister should also clarify that giving up the litigation for a settlement under this scheme should not be shown as a binding precedent for other assessment years, and you should not put against the assessees. Now, so far as the title is concerned, the Act is meant for whole of India and is not restricted to the person who understands Hindi. The Act should reach all the sections of society so that people will understand, abide and take the benefits under the Act. Having title in Hindi, the assessee in non-Hindi speaking states like Tamil Nadu will not understand the real benefit under the Act. Under Article 348 of the Constitution, it puts a complete embargo on a bill having text other than English. The body of the bill is in English, but the text of the bill is in Hindi. It runs against Article 348 of the Constitution. Therefore, I request the House and the Minister concerned to kindly address us on Article 348. I quote, "Notwithstanding anything in the foregoing provisions of this part, until Parliament by law otherwise provides, the authoritative text of all bills to be introduced or amendments thereto to be moved in the either House of the Parliament or in the House or either House of the Legislature of a state, of all acts passed by the Parliament or the Legislature of the state, and of all ordinances promulgated by the President, the Governor and the state, shall be in English language." Now the title is in Hindi. So therefore it goes against the Constitution. I would request the House not to pass this unless the title is amended. And the statement of the object and reason talks about pending cases, and that's why the scheme is introduced. I will ask one question to the Honourable Minister. You don't fill up the vacancies for the ITAT, you don't fill up the vacancies for the High Court, then you would say the cases are pending, then you would ask the assessee to accept a compromises of this nature. Therefore, this is not a proper way of addressing system. Thank you very much, Vice Chairman, sir.
4 minutes.